SOFI is a fintech stock that I believe is ready for a huge comeback soon. And being that this stock hasn't moved a whole lot since 2021, I can totally understand why some people might be a bit skeptical here. But hear me out. I think there's a lot of investors in this right now that are wondering the age-old question, what could this stock's future direction be? While there's always going to be media releases or rumors about a substantial change in the company's business prospects that usually can make a stock trending and lead to an immediate price change, there's always some fundamental facts that dominate the buy and hold decision making. So with that being said, even though a company's earnings growth could be considered arguably the best indicator of its financial health, nothing much happens if a company can't raise its revenue. In fact, I would say it's almost impossible for a company to grow its earnings without growing its revenue for long periods. Therefore, growing a company's revenue is crucial. So for SOFI specifically, the consensus sales estimate for the current quarter is $515 million, which indicates a year-over-year change of 21.5%. And get this, for the current and next fiscal years respectively, $2 billion and $2.5 billion estimates indicate some pretty substantial increases as well. Now, when it comes to the valuation of the stock, there are some people who would say that without considering the stock's valuation, no investment decision can be efficient. To which I would say, f*** 'em. Sure, there's always going to be some times where I talk about stock valuations, as it can be useful, I guess, in predicting stock's future price performance, sometimes. But honestly, you never really know. So when it comes to comparing the current values of the company's valuation multiples, such as price to earnings, price to sales, and price to cash flow, and all that other boring stuff, it can determine whether its stock is fairly priced, and comparing the company relative to its peers on these parameters can give a good sense of the reasonability of the stock's price. However, time and time again, I always find myself coming back to these three principles that any idiot can use to determine if a stock is a good buy. Do you like management for SOFI? Yes. Is the company solving a unique problem? Yes. Is SOFI profitable? Well, no. At least not yet. You see, while SOFI isn't profitable yet, SOFI has recently stated that they expect to report a profit in Q4 of 2023, so I guess we'll have to wait and see for that. Regardless though, SOFI is poised to benefit from the ongoing strength in personal loans, higher home loans, and the recovery in student loan refinancing volumes. Also, its growth low-cost deposit base will also help to support higher margins. I personally give SOFI a strong buy, as it's at such cheap levels right now, and I think this company is eventually going to be dominating the fintech and banking industries in the future. And if you're interested in the future of this stock, then check out this video right here, where I go over their Expedia deal and why it's such an important milestone for the company. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.